The conversation about climate change has been around for a while. And so you think about what you could say in response to this.
Unmoored is a fantastical journey through mixed reality into what it would be like if New York City, as predicted by climate scientists, were 26 feet underwater.
I think one of the most important motivations as an artist is to extract the question that is buried within the answer. What could create that profound question? The only way it can happen is through maybe something called mixed reality. Each day, hundreds of thousands of people pass through Times Square. You're surrounded by huge digital LED lit billboards. How do you augment and add another layer or a deeper layer within that?
It's a project that imaginatively gives the viewer, the participant, a real immersion in living in a subterranean world where boats are clanking above your head and plankton is floating. It's an accompaniment to a sculpture called Wake, which is a hybrid between a beached whale, the skeleton of a beached whale, and a sunken ship.
I think the concept of Unmoored began around 2016. I thought about something in terms of something physically floating in the air. So you come to collaborations by clearly understanding your limitations. To have a vision like this that's being animated in my mind or in my mind's eye, I have to find someone that knows how to do this. Nautical vessels in the air requires another kind of imagination. Using mixed reality to provide a portal to something that I can't even imagine. A social scientist was describing how our devices had this unusual run in our lives and how it has been shown to be removing empathy. Then we have to explore how that very thing that takes it from us can be employed to serve it.
It's not art for art's sake, it's art to catalyze awareness. And so I think Unmoored is an amazing example of this catalytic call to action through an amazingly inventive use of the most contemporary tools available to an artist.
In a world that is so rapidly making things simplified, for digestion, immediate digestion, maybe we have to do something that is powerful enough that it would stay in the mind and say, I really want to understand what is going on here. And this is where you bring surrealism into life so it can actually interact with realism. So here we go.